Tánaiste, the programme for government recognises the need to work in partnership with private childcare providers to make core funding work, as well as taking that critical step into state-led childcare. The three main issues the government needs to tackle are staffing, accessibility and affordability. And the truth, Tánaiste, as you know, is that reliance on the private sector alone will never deliver the capacity we need in communities for childcare places, which is essential for workforce participation for women and equitable access for early learning and care. On May Day of all days, we also need to call out the need to adequately recognise the role of our childcare workers. So, Tánaiste, I'm asking if there's an update on the action plan in the programme for government to build an affordable, accessible early childhood education and care system with state-led facilities that must be based on partnership, including our experienced and trusted providers, but bold in ambition.
Well, thanks very much to Deputy Currie, and I fully agree with your description as to what needs to happen, because I think that word partnership is really important. We have such good examples of childcare providers across the country, and we also have such significant gaps where, I meet people who are frustrated when they hear we've reduced the cost of childcare, and they say, that's great, but I can't get a place. So cost and access, along with, of course, quality, really does matter. So there's 21 commitments in the programme for government in relation to childcare. I know Minister Foley now is looking at how we bring forward that action plan, but this is an absolute priority for government, and that will require public intervention, state intervention, starting with areas where there's particular gaps in terms of service provision.